Hello and welcome back to here another episode of my Beekeeping Quick and Easy series. Today I want to talk about the way I feed my bees in autumn for winter. And if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. Before you start with feeding, it's good to know how much food is already in the hives. A little trick to find that out is the fact that 10 to 10 centimeters capped food equals 330 grams. A hive should have at least 15 to 20 kilograms of food reserves for winter. In colder regions, more is recommendable. Later, when I start feeding, I normally give about 10 kilograms, and then I observe individually how they store it. And with this info, I give them the rest later. I feed my bees with a sugar-water mixture in the ratio 3:2. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up. Thanks for watching and see you the next time.